Hey guys, what's up? We are live! The freaking Conquest 2022. Hey Shanko! Look at that line! Look at that line! From freaking outside. And it looks all around here. Follow natin, follow natin. Okay ba, Chantal? How's oh shit, kaya pala wala nag-stream ng pa-landscape ang iksi ng may notif na, yeah. Oh my god, ang liit ng chat box ko. The Conquest 2022 guys. Sobrang haba ng pila sa labas. And all the way in here, actually nag-loop around. Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. Good morning? Morning ba? Morning pa eh. Wala pa yata tanghali. I'm gonna show you guys how long the line is actually. There's a lot of people outside. Hindi man lang pa nakakapasok. And pagkapasok nila, there's still a line. Ayan.
Thank you so much.
All the way to Hall 3. So yeah, Hall 1 over there sa dulong-dulo hanggang Hall 3. Good morning, good morning. Damn, ba't ang haba ng pila? Kasi sobrang dami ng tao. Sobrang dami ng tao. May pila pa ulit paakyat to. Like the escalator. Yung mga tapusan dito sa baba. Nililibot ko muna kayo dito since, by the way, hindi pa tapos yung pila. Yan yung pila papasok sa hall. Wait, si Chantal ba nakikita mo? What? I don't know. Ayun pala si Chantal. Oh my god, alright. Hindi kasama ka? Ayun, nice. Ayun si Chantal pala. Tama ka. Hindi ko na. Ayan, say hello. Ayan, Ellie Show. Yes! Ayun, naingit ako, napudol mo ako. Napudol mo ako, you were using one. I bought one agad. Ayan! Yeah, meron na kami gano'n! Yeah! Ayan! Ang dami mo dala! Gusto ko din sana tulungan ka sa mag-ikot muna ako. Sige, sige. If ever, I know, you can leave your stuff kung space ka sa taas. Okay, cool. Sige, sige. Ayan, libot muna tayo guys. Ang pangit pala ng landscape, stream. Ganyan lang yung chat ko. Nahihirapan ako magbasa. Ayan, RJ Hansan. Ayan, papasok lang ako. Ayan, buti malapit ka na. Mahaba pa pala pila sa loob. Ayan, papasok na tayo guys. I'll show you guys. Ito yung experience ng congoer. Sadly, pila sa labas, pila sa loob, the hallway, and then some pila, some more. Ayan. Guys, I'm just gonna record na lang. I can't seem to go on live. So this will be a VOD. That will be coming up, I hope soon. Para makita nyo day 1. We are here on Conquest by the Rumble Royale booth. Sana klaro rin yung boses ko dito. I don't know if it's the same sa live, but we shall know when this goes up. Libot ko na lang kayo, quick libot lang bago ako bumalik sa booth natin sa taas. I guess na live ko naman na yung papasok sa pila. Start na tayo dito sa loob. Just gonna roam around a bit. This is the Predator, I believe. Check out setup over there. Flight Simulator kanina, ngayon naman driving simulator. Ewan ko ba naka-off na? Kanina gumagana yan eh. Ikot lang tayo. Sadly, nandito lang yung food sa baba. Sadly, hindi tayo makapag-live because there's no signal. It's really crappy. But ayan, at least I can tour you guys muna. And this is the Tier 1. Naman. Ayan, nagbebenta sila ng mga merch nila dyan. Careful tayo sa paglalakad, ang daming wires. Cryptomon. There's a lot of NFT, crypto stuff booths here actually. And that's the Republic of Gamers booth. Yeah, punta natin. Sana maganda yung record nito, parang sagad lang lagi yung mic eh. Gusto nyo ba ako makita? Paano ba? Hindi yata pwede, baliktad. When recording with this app, sana stable na, guys. Upon a lot of requests, kailangan ng gimbal ko daw. So I bought one, an Osmo. Ay, ang ganda. I really like this one, Evangelion. Look at that. Ay, gusto ko yan. Lagayan ng headphones. Kamay na stand. Guys, ito check out nyo rin. I think you'll learn to scan more. I think you can just scan my VOD when this comes up. When this goes up. Oh my god, di ako sanay nang hindi live. Shit, ang pogi. Parang ganyan rin yung spaceship din. Yung looking yung router ko actually. Pero mas advanced yung itsura niya. Oh my god, that looks freaking awesome. Tapos lalaro yung mga Minecraft lang, no? My god. For those who dare. Nice. I like it. I like it. Ang may white na laptop din sila. Nice. And this one. It's a Pro. Pro. Hindi tayo nagtagal, no? Sana, you know, Asus, ROG, back in naman. Ano nyo in the future, right? Top gaming. I actually have a top gaming monitor. It's really good. I highly recommend a top gaming monitor because best bang for the buck. It's not that expensive, pero it's really good. But if you want to splurge a little pero still on a tight budget, top gaming instead of mag-ROG all the way, you know. Over here, dito naman tayo sa stage. Dito mga tournament and stuff.
In the mid or top instead, since oh no, mali pala. So both of them are actually having so same old nagkakate like the first and the second game. Yeah, yun talaga yung kailangan nila gawin. If ever mag-start sila ng fighting, I think yung ball game, yung factor na ngayon na natin ko, yun yung magsisimula ng everything. Kasi if ever,
and over here on MSI,
after nila ka-full series, Scotland selection to look at ball game is the fighting game kay Anas.
Great game. Yan, MSI naman yung laptop na ginagamit natin for on-the-go streaming. Kaso medyo hindi na kayo nakapag on-the-go gaming stream. Sa phone na lang muna. the recent conventions kasi has been really hectic. I could not game sa booth like I did noong December. It's a big side of Conquest. Marami pang mga booths, marami na tayo in-skip. It's just, whoa, we're just going around lang sa bigger major booths because kailangan ko na bumalik sa taas. Iniwan ko lang dun si Ai nagbabantay mag-isa. So yeah, ano pa ba dito? Like mayroon dito mga smaller booths like this, mga peripherals selling their stuff. Nandito nga pala si Boyd Walker, I believe. Tama ba? I don't know. I know much about Dota gamer, pero alam ko, kilala ko yan. Ginagamit natin yan. Faceless Void, di ba? Mala, Faceless Void. Faceless Void. Wala nga siya mukha. Ayan, GG Truck. Truck sila. That's a big screen. And of course, tons of what do you call this? Computers for everyone to play on. Yun yung maganda sa gaming convention, guys. Yun ang maganda sa gaming convention. Maraming pwedeng tambayan. Daming pwedeng ikutin, daming pwedeng tambayan. Nasa first floor pa lang tayo, by the way, kasi meron pa tayo second floor. That majority of the booths are there. Kasi dito talaga more on displays and sponsors dito sa first floor. And sa second floor, doon yung mga merch, mga artist booths, mga meet and greet, and stuff like that. So, I think nalibot naman na natin dito sa baba. One more survey of the area.
Right now kasi, we're not really at Manila. We're talking about the party on. Yeah, sobrang mula kasi ng mga hindi kasi.
Ha? Hinihingal na ako. It's this mask. Kanina pa ako naglilibot actually. Naglibot na ako on my own and took some pictures. And then I tried to go live and that failed miserably. Walang signal dito sa baba. Maskin, I don't know. Puno naman yung signal ko. Let's go up. Ayan. Woohoo! So many people for just one convention. Ayan po. Conquest, Logitech, Metacrafters, and Rumble Royale, which I'm a proud member of. Ayan. Matagal. Yes, this freaking escalator is a long escalator ride. And finally, we're here. Okay. So, dito na actually kami sa Function 5. Function Room 5. Pero check out natin yung dulo. Have not spent any time roaming around the other function rooms. Connected naman sila sa loob, guys. But, you know, may partition pa rin in the sense na may konting wall. Doon yung mga sa 5 guys. So kung pupunta kayo, ewan ko kung ma-upload ko to later before day 2. But you know, if ever I could upload this before day 2. At mas alam nyo, nandun yung booth ko sa F5. Ayan, dito na tayo sa F4. Ayan, diba? Ayan, makita natin si Dao Mengs Ayaw. Hinihingal na ako. Ayaw ko na. Pagod na ako. Sa loob na kaya natin pasukin? Pasukin na natin? You know what? Yeah, let's just go in. We're going. Oh! So ganito dito. Nandun kami sa far side. Sa brighter area. Nandun yung mga displays ng mga cards, mga merch, and other stuff. So this is the Meta Crafters booth. Oh, that was bright. Ganda. Ganda booth nila. This is the rest area. I believe this is the rest area. No, I think na may rest area sila, you know. It's pretty cozy here. Okay naman. Malamig, by the way. Hindi tayo mainit dito. And ano ba claimables dito? Not sure. There are a lot of stuff that I'm not sure of. Kasi pag exhibitor ka na lagi, actually hindi mo na siya check out masyado. Madalas yung mga, you know, yung libot-libot. Madalas busy din kasi like selling stuff dun sa booth namin, so hindi ako nakalibot. Oh, meron ditong like you can eat here. I didn't know. You can actually eat here. I didn't freaking know. Merong ano. Yeah, so mga ano na dito, meet and greet and stuff like that. Sa ibang ano, function rooms. And we catering. Cool. Cool. And there's a small stage here. I don't know what's it's for. Ang daming stages all around. There's just a lot of it all around. I don't know kung pwede tayo pumasok dun sa mga meet and greet. I mean, I do have ID for like an all access, I think, I guess. But anyway, maybe that's for another time. That's for another time. Baka tomorrow, if I can still, you know, maybe mag-live tayo. Like I said, hindi kinaya ng internet, hindi tayo nakapag-live. So, ayan, stuck tayo sa recorded. Hindi ako ganun ka-jolly, no? Hindi ako sanay. Nakakailang ng recorded, actually. Hindi ako sanay, walang kausap. I feel like, I don't know. Hindi ko alam mo na-explain. Paano explain? Retro Arcade. Uy! Retro Arcade, oh! Meron pala dito Retro Arcade sa Tambayan. Para sa mga standards. Oh, by the way, there's another stage pala nga near us. Retro Arcade. Diba? Saya. Like, you just can sit down and play some stuff. Family computer, diba? Oh, may punch. Ano ba? Ano ba tawag dito? CRT TV. Ang saya. PlayStation 1. CRT TV. Oh my god. That's a GameCube. PS2 Slim. PS3. Oh my god, retro na PS3. Grabe naman. Grabe naman maka-retro. Ayan. That's a Sega Saturn. Grabe. Never had one. Dreamcast. Sega Dreamcast. Ang saya, di ba? Guys, punta kayo dito. Kaso lang, baka pag na-upload ko ito, tapos na. Baka tapos na. I don't know. Sana try ka upload later. Unedited nga lang. Ay, may magpa-perform. Upload natin ito. Beauty Girl Free. Grabe, dami ng tao sa baba. I'm afraid to say it won't be as easy to enter as other conventions. May pagka-cost for me, but in the sense na sobrang dami lang talagang tao. Not because board game area. Not because na may something mali, but it's more because sobrang dami talaga tao. Oh my god, I wanna play board game. Marami rin palang cosplayers here, by the way. So, cosplayers, welcome. Okay, I'm really tired now. Alam nyo, medyo magaang yung gimbal. But pag kinapit mo na yung phone mo, the gimbal plus the weight of the phone, nakakapagod na. Dami guys, oh my god, D&D, nami-miss ko D&D days. D&D days, nakakamiss. And of course, a beholder. So yeah, you can play board games here. Device, of course. Ayan. Usual shops, see Long Live Play with the weapons that you can buy. May boots sila dito. Ayan, they're right by the exit entrance. And miss them. Ayan, di na lang makadaan, maraming ng tao. Pabalik na tayo sa booth natin. I'm tired, I need rest. I've been roaming around for quite a bit. So, ayan, Artist Alley. Actually, there's a bunch of artists here as well. So, talagang hindi lang to gaming. It's more of a pop culture event as well. And, yeah, pop culture, fandom, art, merch, computer, gaming, NFT, crypto stuff. Diba? Oh my god, ang dami na. Okay, tutulungan ko na si Ive sa booth. Babalik na ako. I'm tired na. There's my booth. Kawawa naman. Sila lang kanina pa. And of course, I'm with Renyo and Olin. Ayan siya. Say hello tayo. Hello! Ayan. The Rodriguez Brothers. Ayan po sila. I-follow nyo. Wala na akong energy magsalita. Dito live eh. Hindi ako nakapag-live. Wala na di-disconnect. Ang sad. Ayun, so recorded na lang. Pagod na ako guys. Ayoko na mag-video. Nakakapagod. Nakakapagod kasi pag-recorded. Hi, Ay! Ayan. Nakakapagod pag-recorded. Basta hindi ko masyadong feel. Mas nabubuhay niyo ako guys pag ano eh. Pag alam ko nandyan kayo nanonood ka at kakakausap ko kayo. Pero yan. Ito na yung booth natin. There you go. It's a well-lit booth. Diba? Saya. There's a bunch more. Okay. signing off, guys. Mid-rest. I'm tired. I'll just see you guys in the next stream. Di ko ma-flip eh. Hindi na flip tong video, tong mode na to.